Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you NCS portal, that is National Career Service Portal by Ministry of Labor and Employment. I will tell you how you can utilize this to get a job and how it will help you to get a job. So you can come to this website. It's called ncs.gov.in. So there are a wealth of resources that is available here that will help you get a job here. So if you see this banner, this is a internship opportunity. So this is hosted in another website. If you click this banner, if you are students who are studying in college, then you can get this opportunity. So if you click on it, it will take you to this play page. This is another website. So I will not be covering in detail about this, but since it is advertised in that portal, I'll just show you. There is a detailed video on this in my channel already. So if you go to this website, pminternship.mca.gov.in, there are various companies that are looking for interns. So this is a 12-month real-life experience in the top companies in India. There will be a monthly assistance of 4,500 by Government of India and 500 by the industries. And there is a one-time grant of 6,000 for incidentals. So there are various companies across India who tie up with government, offer internship in the scheme. You can come here and do this youth registration and get various internship opportunities. So these internship opportunities are like windows into your career. So you may be able to get a regular job after you complete the internship there. So there is a certain criteria that has to be followed. So no member is earning more than 8 lakhs per annum in the family, and some criteria like that. So you can check that out. So now coming back to the NCS portal. So in this NCS portal, if you look at it, there are two sections. One is employers, other is job seeker. So if you're an employer, you can click on this and you can post your job in this portal, and you can tie up with government also to offer various employment opportunity to people. So now I will cover primarily job seeker. So in this one, if you click on job seeker, if you're looking for a job, then you can sign up for an account here and you can see various opportunities that is available. There are thousands of opportunities that is available. As you can see, there are jobs posted by NCS partners, direct job postings on NCS. So it could be something as simple as a data entry operator. You can see here they mentioned 12th pass. What is the data operator that they required? Job ID, HR person's contact name. So like this, there are thousands of operated jobs that is available. So airport, ground staff. So this is the job offer in various airports. HDFC Bank KYC verification department, DSA. So there are thousands of such opportunities that is available. About 3,690 pages is there of opportunities. So you can filter it by various categories and look for a job in wherever you want. Let's say if I want in Karnataka, I can filter it by Karnataka and I can put whether it is private, government, full-time. So I'll just put the filters. You see this jobs. So if you see here, personal assistant, junior project manager. So various jobs you can find here. Now if you go into job seeker, then you will see find domestic job, find international job. So if you're looking for an international job, then you can click on it. So now if I click on international jobs, I can search by various region, whether it is Middle East. I can choose countries. So if you see here, the jobs, this job is offering a plan of a planning engineer. So those jobs will be listed here. Now if we look at other resources that is available here, I can find a counselor, I can find a skill provider, find career center. So they also provide their link to government job portals. So this is how it works. So you start, visit NCS portal, you sign up as a new user, you register as a job seeker and fill your details. You fill in the high education details. Then you will select the unique identification type. based on your driving license, voter identity, or PAN card. Then under the ID number, choose your username, email. Under job preference, key skills, you get the OTP on your mobile number. After you put the OTP, you are verified into this NCS portal, where you go and update your profile to get job recommendations. Then you search and apply for jobs. That's how it works. So if you look at here, like under personal information tab, you can upload digital documents from DigiLocker directly. So if you have a DigiLocker, then you can use that to authenticate various information like your marks card and all those information. So when you apply for a job, what you will need is you need to upload the documents. You can upload education and training related documents. You can upload CV, caste certificate, unique identification ID, and all those things can be pulled from DigiLocker also. So that's the entire process how it works there. So now if you look at placement, so if you are a student and want to get placed, then you can come here and register here. So you can post a new job. You can participate in various job fairs and events which is across the country. So now if you look at various job fairs, so let's say I am looking for job fairs in Karnataka. Let's put that search. Then you can see 12th April, 14th April, 15th April. You'll see this different dates. So today is 27th April. So I'll say 28th April. If you look at it, I see a job fair by FCC Mandya on NCS portal. So if I click on it, I'll get more details about it and I can take part in that. It's a number of job seekers. So now if I look at 30th, there is again one more opportunity I see here. Online job fair, career center in Davagere. So in this way, you can find out various opportunities that not many people are aware of. You can come to this portal and find out various job fairs. Now, if the companies can also come here and find candidates from here, if you are registered as a candidate, then they can come and find that information about you there. So apart from this, they have various other services that is they're offering. Career skills training by Microsoft DigiSaksham, using which they provide various training. So this is called, program name is called as DigiSaksham. So you need to register using NCS username and password. So DigiSaksham will teach you the following courses: Excel, Python, Java, security fundamentals. So which will help you with your career development. So it has that training also that has been provided. So there is one more thing I saw there, that is career skills training by TCS Eon. So this is a self-paced course. So it teaches you soft skills, making impactful presentations and all those things there. So you can try that also there. Now apart from that, if you look at it, various other resources that is available for a job seeker. It is job seeker registration flowchart, job seeker handbook, detailed user manual. Then if you look at job seeker handbook, this is the useful information that you can have, how you can access various modules within that, how you can schedule the interviews. If an employer has selected for job seeker, you will see that in the interviewer tab. That's what they are saying there. So if you go to career center, you can see, you can create job fairs and events also. So there are international job opportunities that you can find from here. So now if I look into various other resources that I want to get a job, let's say I want career centers, so then I can get the list of all the career centers. I can get the entire directory and contact information of employee exchange and career centers. So if you look at, there are various centers that offer employee exchange, so you can get that entire contacts, so you can find whatever is relevant for your state. So you see this contact information. So if you're looking for a job, you can contact them and find out if there are any opportunities that is available for you. So that way you get all this information that is useful in getting a job. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.